Have you ever noticed this small yellow flower growing by the roadside or on a vacant plot of land? You might have simply dismissed it as just another wild plant. But wait, the name of this beautiful flower is the Asian spider flower. And the story behind it makes it more than just a flower. It makes it a fascinating part of nature. Today, we'll explore the full story of this unique flower, why it's called the spider flower, where it grows, and what makes it truly distinctive. Friends, the scientific name of this flower is Cleome viscosa. It is commonly known as the Asian spider flower or yellow spider flower. In hot regions like Gujarat, especially around Ahmedabad, you can easily spot this plant on vacant land, along the edges of fields, and amidst the greenery that springs up after the rains. The first thing that catches your eye is its bright yellow flowers. However, the plant is recognized not just for its blossoms, but for its overall structure as well. Now, the question arises. Why is it called the spider flower? It earned this name because of its unique structure and the long stamens that protrude from the center of the flowers. When you look at it closely, its delicate blooms and spreading form can truly evoke the image of a small spider's legs. That is why this seemingly ordinary yellow flower holds a little mystery within its name. It is small details like these in nature that remind us that beauty isn't always found in things that are large or flashy. Now, take a closer look at its leaves. They are composed of several small leaflets and often fan out like fingers. The plant typically grows upright, and its yellow flowers create a stunning contrast against the green foliage. After flowering, long seed pods develop, housing the seeds within. In other words, this small plant first blooms, then produces seeds. And with the next rains, a new story begins. This is nature's most beautiful cycle, from flower to seed, and from seed to new life. But friends, the true beauty of a wildflower lies in more than just its color. Such plants are an integral part of our ecosystem. Their flowers attract small insects and pollinators, which help drive the process of pollination in nature. This pollination plays a crucial role in seed formation and the birth of a new generation of plants. We often look at massive trees and exclaim, "How beautiful nature is!" But take a moment to notice this tiny flower growing by the roadside, too. Because the complete story of nature isn't written only in the forests. It is written right here, at our feet. So, the next time you spot a yellow flower like this on a vacant plot or at the edge of a field, don't just walk past it, dismissing it as a mere wildflower. Step a little closer. Observe its leaves. Examine the structure of its flower. And if you see seed pods, take a good look at those as well. You will realize that what we often mistake for useless weeds actually holds a whole story of nature within it. And perhaps that is why plants like the Asian spider flower teach us a profound lesson. Not every beautiful thing needs to be planted in a garden. Nature itself cultivates some of its own beauty. Just think, this flower didn't bloom in some expensive garden. No gardener watered it daily. No one added fertilizer to nurture it. And yet, it bloomed. It bloomed in the sunlight. It bloomed in the soil. It bloomed after the rain. And perhaps, that is its greatest beauty. Nature constantly reminds us that life doesn't always require perfect conditions. Sometimes, even in difficult circumstances, a tiny flower can bloom. And perhaps, that is the most beautiful story of the Asian spider flower. So, the next time you spot this yellow flower, pause for a moment. It might not be just a flower, but a small message from nature. Its name is the Asian spider flower, Cleome viscosa. If you also feel that the stories of such unnoticed flowers growing around us deserve to be shared with the world, then please, like this video, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments Have you seen this yellow spider flower in your neighborhood? And for more such unique stories from the natural world, don't forget to subscribe. Because next time, a tiny flower blooming right at your feet might just be telling a magnificent story.